What's going on, guys? Patrick here with Window Tinting Business with a special announcement. I am going to be running a 4-week money-making course in July, and registration just opened up for that. We're going to be going over different aspects of the window tinting business industry, how to run a business, other aspects besides how to tint windows, from communications to a little bit of marketing, how to crunch your numbers, a number of different other things that is going to be helpful on top of knowing how to tint windows as well. So we're going to be doing that through the whole month of July, Sundays, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sessions are going to last about an hour and a half to 2 hours, and it's going to be going through a Google Hangout. So you'll be able to go ahead and get a specialized link for that, and go ahead and join us at that time here. If you guys are interested in joining us in this class, make sure to email us here, windowtintingbusiness@gmail.com, and then in the subject line, money making course. Just go ahead and put that in the subject line, and I'll go ahead and send you some more details in regards to the class as well. So also, if you're part of the Window Tinting Business Facebook group, you can go ahead and check it out. I did post it on there today, and there is a link so that if you share, like, and comment the post in regards to the 4-week class, you could be entered to win a free entry into the class as well. I'm giving away 2 seats to the class for that. And just a last word of warning, I'm only going to max it out to about 15 people into the class. I don't want to put too many people in the class. So first come, first serve. And like I said, just go ahead, and if you're interested in more details in regards to the 4-week money-making course, email us at windowtintingbusiness@gmail.com. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you soon.